sharing my shopping today with you to show you how this shopping saved my life and changed my life drastically. First of all, I apologize for my terrible nails. I know I have to do it. I didn't get time, so today I have an appointment to go and do my nails. First shopping is my cute viral lunchbox. I needed a lunchbox, so I said why not go for the viral one. It had really high feedback, 5-star, and this is so cute because it's a small, compact, and yet you can put so much of stuff and food in it. It is microwave, dishwasher safe. I've used it already and I'm really happy with it. Next is my lunch bag because I needed a lunch bag, but I just wanted something so feminine and beautiful, and this was the only lunch bag with so many different colors and models and good quality. Everybody was giving 5-star, and it's got so much space in it. It's got a lining that keeps the drinks cool, and also if anything leaked inside, it's not going to transfer to the fabric because it's leak proof and you can easily clean it. Outside has a lot of spaces, as you can see, and it's so beautiful. My friends they purchased one as soon as they saw this. They literally couldn't believe this is a lunch bag. Next is my thermal lunchbox. It's a stainless steel vacuum insulated food flask. It's leak proof and it was the only one. Everybody said it keeps the food hot for very long time. It had a chopstick and a spoon coming with it, which I don't have it to show you now. Basically, I bought this one for my son's lunchbox for his college, and I'm really happy with this purchase. It was the only one. Everybody was happy with it. Next is this shampoo which saved my oily hair. If you got oily hair, this is a lifesaver. I've tried so many things, it didn't work. Because this shampoo is sulfate free, so it's gonna save your oily hair, so you do not have to wash your hair every single day because of the extra oil. It's a big size and it remains for you a long time, and with one wash I could see the difference. Really, my hair was really silky and soft. Next is my hair mask. I decided to go for a hair mask instead of using conditioner after shampooing. This is a silicone free hair mask with coconut. It is amazing because it just keeps my hair shiny and soft without damaging it. Next is the microfiber towel for my hair. It is really important to have a microfiber towel for your hair because it just absorbs the water and moisture so fast, keeps your hair soft and shiny, and it makes your hair air dry much faster. Next is my beauty fridge. I really needed one because I'm making natural products which they need to stay inside the fridge cool, and I couldn't just make them put it in the fridge every night, go down, come up, and it's really a big problem for me. So I needed something next to my vanity table. This is so compact, it's so light, it's got a lot of spaces in it. Even you can keep drinks or something to eat in your bedroom, and you have the option to keep the things inside cold or hot. Next is the silicone eye wash cups. I know it looks weird, but trust me, every woman needs to have this. When you are removing your makeup, you're always forgetting inside your eyes. You need to give a wash for your inside of your eyes because of all the eyeliners, all the pollution every day gets into our eyes. When you wash your eyes with a saline solution, you will understand how your eyes will feel fresh and shiny right after. And next is this bonnet cap which saved my hair. This is for my sleeping. You just wear this one and sleep, and the next day you won't believe your silky soft hair. Every woman must have this. It will make a big difference to your hair. I do not go without this for my sleep, not even one night. And last is my scalp scrub brush, which is really good. It removes all the residue built up on your scalp over the time when you are shampooing your hair. And when you do that, your hair will grow much faster. It remains more healthy, and the circulation of the blood is gonna get faster over your scalp, and you will see how much your head will feel lighter. Guys, I've put all the links of these products at the description box or the first comment. You can go and see for yourself and choose whatever you want and feel good about yourself. This is really important. Next videos, I'll show you how I'm using all this stuff as a daily routine.